The patient is performed in lateral decubitus position. Biceps tendon undergoes tenotomy. Tendon tear size is more than 1.5 cm. Basal layer is intact with decreased tension. A spinal needle is guided in the tear site. The mini incision is created. The medial low ankle, named Ankle A, is implanted. The spinal needle with PTS suture is pierced in the articular cable. Four strands are placed on the tendon. Four strands are placed in the subacromial space. The mini incision is presented. The lateral ankles, named Ankle B and C, are implanted. A spinal needle with PTS suture is also pierced into the articular cable. With the help of knock pusher, one blue strand from Ankle B is delivered into the joint after passing through the mini incision. This strand and PTS suture are also grabbed out of the body and knocked. By pulling the opposite PTS suture, the blue strands are placed in the subacromial space. A total of 6 strands are passed through the tendon. One blue strand from Ankle A are grasped out of the body. The first set of double pulley suture bridge is created. By pulling on the opposite strand, this double pulley suture bridge is delivered in the subacromial space. This double pulley suture bridge recovers the mini incision and powerfully compresses the tendon against the footprint. The opposite strand are knocked with knock pusher. Fourth strand of double pulley suture bridge is created. The strands which will be used for single are presented. Four sets of double pulley suture bridges and 2 sets of singles powerfully compress the tendon against the footprint and perfectly cover the mini incision. Tendon tear on articular layer is reduced and the tendon tension is restored. Thank you very much.